Hey there, welcome to WeCode's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. Today is day 4 and let's quickly see the question number 2. So the question is, extend the vehicle rental system to include a truck subclass which inherits from the vehicle class. We need to implement unique attributes and methods for the truck class. So we have already seen this question in the first question of this day, where we had written the vehicle rental system and we have created a vehicle class and two child classes which are car and motorcycle. So we have to take the same code and we need to add an extra class called truck, which also inherits from the vehicle class. So the description is given. We need to create a truck subclass which inherits from vehicle. We need to implement the methods to calculate payload capacity and display truck specific details. So the input details include all the make, model, year and payload capacity. And we need to display the truck details. So let us see the input and output here. So the make, model, year and payload capacity is given and the truck details are given as an output. So that's it. So let's quickly, let me quickly open the Java file. So here we can see that there is a class called vehicle and there are two child classes which extend the superclass vehicle. Now it's time for us to create a child class called truck. So class truck extends vehicle. What all extra attributes does it have? So it has a payload capacity. So let me write it as a string itself because we are having here 2000 kg, right? So string payload capacity. And now again we are going to create a constructor for this truck class. So constructors are really helpful. So this type of constructor is a parameterized constructor. So we can pass all the same things here except the payload capacity. So here it will be the payload capacity. Now we have to initialize all the variables using this keyword. Here it will be payload capacity and payload capacity. And finally we have to write another condition which is else if vehicle.to lowercase dot equals, what is the vehicle name? It is truck. So if the vehicle or the given input by the user is a truck, then we have to give all the output or the details about the truck. So here we have missed the display info method. So let me write it quickly. So the display info, if the input is truck, then so let me write the same thing here. So here vehicle details. So what we were having the output. So we have the truck details. So let us write it. So truck details, make, model. Here it is the payload capacity. And here it will be the variable which stores the payload capacity. That's it. So now here I will take input of all the details from the user regarding the truck. So I have copied. So we have used the scanner class object which is SC to take the input. For the strings we have used next method, and for integer I have used nextInt method. So here it will be payload capacity and sa.nextInt. And now I'm going to create a truck. So let me call it as t1 equals new truck. And then I have passed all the variables which we had taken as input from the user. Now t1.displayInfo, which will display all the information about the truck. That's it. So now let me run the file and check if the truck details is working or not. So Java C vehicles.java and Java vehicles. So the input I'm going to give is truck. So let me give all capital letters. And what are the truck details? So let us take one input given here. So I will write it as Ford, model as F150, and the year is 2023, and the capacity is 2000 kg. So you can see I have got the output for this entire thing. Truck details is Ford, and then the model, year along with the payload capacity. So that's it. So that's it for this video. Do follow the 100 Days of Coding Challenge by VCode. Thank you for watching.